Hi there. Today we're going to be talking about how to assign things to individual students. So we're going to start off by looking at all our content on the left-hand side in our content tree. And when we click the Assign button, by default it assigns to all students, but we can change this and select specific students to pick which students are going to be able to see these questions. All right, so let's pick two students here. Go in, and we can set the parameters, the due date, attempts per question. And when we hit Assign, that question has now been assigned, and we can see that it's only assigned to two students here. Now let's say a question has been assigned to all the students. So we're going to assign this to all the students, but we want to now change the parameters for specific students after it's already been assigned. Well, we can see here that there's an Assign to Individuals button, and when we click on that, we'll be able to select the specific students to change the parameters for. And for them, we want to change the due date to a week after, and we want to give them more attempts per question. And when we hit Assign, now we see in the Details tab that by default it gets assigned to all students, but two students here have a different due date setting. And that's how you can assign to different individuals.